How to upload pre-recorded audio on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can upload up the pre-recorded audio on Instagram. So we're gonna look up if we can do it or not. So let's just find out and look out on can we actually send up the pre-recorded audio on Instagram. So for that, in order to go ahead and do that, you can head over to profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on this plus icon and go to the reel section. After that is done, you can go ahead and select up a video, and then you will be finding an option of add audio at the bottom left corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're here, you will be finding different audios available. So here, in order to add up your own pre-recorded audio, unfortunately Instagram doesn't allow us to do it for now. Before we had that feature, but right now we don't really have that feature right now. So what you can do is, instead of that, is go ahead and screen record the audio in your device, and after that is done, you can go ahead and tap on this reel section at the bottom. You can go ahead and create a reel with that audio and then post it. Otherwise, as Instagram doesn't allow you to upload audios directly, you can convert your audio to video and use apps like InShot or CapCut to edit out your video, and you convert your audio file into video with a static image. So for now, you can follow up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have got any questions, you can just drop them down below, and I will see you in the next one.